All right, are y'all proceeding on the motion?
We are, Judge.
All right, who is the prosecutor?
Next young man over here. It is a motion. Probation.
Another tense day in Judge Boyd's courtroom, and this time, it's a probation violation on the line. The defendant, Juan Davala, already convicted of aggravated assault, now accused of skipping drug tests. Let's see if he walks out free or gets sent back behind bars.
I'll forget his name.
Oh, Jason Garhan.
Yeah. Well, no, not
Oh, Duffy? Duffy.
Duffy, that's it. Yes.
All right, the court
No.
is calling 2022 CR 6963, State versus Juan Davala. Could I have parties announced?
Jason Garrett for the state, Your Honor.
Andrew K. Hicks for the defense.
And are you Juan Davala?
Yes, ma'am.
Did you review the motion to revoke community supervision with your attorney? Did you understand it? Are you the same Juan Davala who was placed on community supervision in cause number 2022 CR 6963 for the offense of aggravated assault causing serious bodily injury on May 1st, 2023 for a term of 7 years? Is that you?
Yes, ma'am.
All right, state.
Yes, Your Honor. Violated condition number 2 on or about the 21st day of April 2025 in Bear County, Texas. The defendant, Juan Davala, did it then and there, failed to submit to drug testing as directed by the court officer, supervision officer, or duly authorized agent of the court, violation condition number 2.
How do you plead to that? True or not true?
True.
Your Honor, we'll waive the remaining violations.
Any objections to the state's waivers?
And no objections on that, Judge.
All right, did you understand by pleading true to violation of condition number 2, the court could find it true, grant the motion, and sentence you up to 7 years in prison and up to a $600 fine?
Yes, Your Honor.
Knowing that, do you still wish to plead true to violation of condition?
When a defendant pleads true to a violation, it's basically an admission. No trial, no excuses. The judge can now legally revoke probation and impose the original prison sentence. That's a risky move, unless there's a deal waiting in the background.
Number 2.
Yes, Your Honor.
Court will find violation of condition number 2 true. Is there a proposed agreement?
There is, Your Honor.
Yes.
And this is Duffy Pitlock for the state of Texas. The agreed recommendation is to deny the state's motion to continue probationer on probation, but to amend conditions to include a TAP while in custody and add supervision in the ISP unit with IVR call in line for probationers UAs.
Defense?
Judge, that is our understanding of the agreement. And I did also want to speak after this that there was alleged a new number 1 that we do not see in the system. And it's my understanding the state, if the court goes along with this recommendation, does not intend to pursue that new number 1.
That is true.
All right. So does anybody have, just 1 second.
And here comes the real story: heartbreak, betrayal, and relapse. Juan says he found out his wife cheated after 25 years of marriage. The pain is real, but in the judge's eyes, emotions don't erase responsibility. This is where the courtroom turns personal.
Reviewing the court summary.
No objections,
None
Judge.
from the state.
All right, do you want to raise your right hand for me, please? Do you solemnly swear or affirm the testimony you give will be the truth and nothing but the truth, so help you God?
Yes, sir.
All right, you can lower your hand. State your name for the record.
Juan Davala.
All right, why are you not following through with your drug testing?
Your Honor, I was with my wife 25 years. Found out she was cheating on me and I relapsed.
All right, so 25 years, how old are you?
I'm 43, man.
All right, so here's the thing. You've been on the planet longer than you've known your wife.
Yes, ma'am.
And you know that you're on probation. You're not supposed to use. And if you think you're going to use, the best thing for you to do is pick up the phone, call your probation officer. You understand?
Yes, ma'am.
When you're in a relationship and somebody is unfaithful to you, or you think they're unfaithful, you only have two choices in that situation. Either you forgive them or you don't forgive them, and the relationship ends.
Correct.
Those are your only choices. So are you still in a relationship with her?
We're getting marriage counseling.
I'm sorry, what?
We're doing marriage counseling.
Okay. Well, here's the thing about relationships. If you're going to forgive somebody for that, you need to forgive them for it. You can't bring it up
Oh, no.
at every time. And every time maybe that you think they're supposed to be home at a specific time because they're like, I'm just going to the store. Can't throw that up, and you can't have suspicious minds like the song from Elvis. Can't do it.
Yes, ma'am. I understand.
All right. So in this case, you're looking at 7 years in the prison. You understand?
Yes, ma'am.
So you know yourself better than I do, better than your attorney does, better than the probation officer does. I can follow this agreement, or if you would like, I can revoke you and I will sentence you to prison for 3 years.
Boom! The judge drops a cold reality check. 7 years in prison hang over his head. And here's the twist. She's actually giving him a choice. Ever seen a judge put a man's fate in his own hands? Watch closely.
Which do you prefer?
Follow the agreement.
I'm sorry, what?
To follow the agreement.
All right. So this is what's going to happen. The court will deny the motion, alter and amend conditions to include the following. TAP evaluation.
What would you choose? Stick to the court's rehab deal and face the system again, or take 3 years in prison and be done with it? It's a brutal decision. Freedom with rules or punishment with an end date.
In custody. All right. Do you have gang affiliation?
No, ma'am. No, I honestly I don't.
All right. If you do, now's the time to tell me.
I'm being honest with you, ma'am.
All right. There's going to be a referral to felony drug court in custody. If for some reason felony drug court does not accept him, then follow TAP recommendations. Ms. Abrams, do you want the IVR hotline? Or do you just want to see how he works with the tools we're going to give him?
But I would like the ISP supervision.
All right, ISP supervision. Is there anything else, probation? Is there anything else?
This is what's called a second chance sentence. Instead of locking him up, the court is layering rehabilitation, drug court, TAP evaluation, and intense supervision. It's justice mixed with mercy, but one slip, and those 7 years come roaring back.
Else you need from the court to be successful on this probation?
No, ma'am.
All right, we can go off the record. So who is your spouse?
Veronica and Davila.
Okay. All righty, and make sure you continue to have no contact with O'Kelly. You understand?
Yes, ma'am.
All right, good luck to you.
Thank you, Your Honor.
Thank you, Your Honor. May we be excused?
Yes.